Hey guys, welcome back to another video on the It's Potato channel. Today I am back with a brand new video for my clicker game series. Now, one thing that we need to fix is that whenever you buy things in the shop, here let me show, it doesn't actually charge anything. So to fix that, we need to go to Sprite 4 and change coins by the amount of how much it costs, which is -50. And then we're going to go to Sprite 5 and do the same thing, except it's with 125. -125. There we go. So now, another thing to add to this shop is we can give Scratch Cat a new skin or costume. So first we're going to go to Paint. I'm going to copy Scratch Cat because why not? And then we're going to go to Sprite 6 and paste it. Now I'm going to go to Paint Bucket and get red, and then I'm going to dunk his face in it. And now I'm going to go get orange and put that there. And now I'm going to do yellow and put it in the other hand. There you go. And now I'm going to do green for the body because, I love green. It's my favorite color. Then I'm going to do blue for the tail because blue is a cool color as well. And then I'm going to do purple for the left leg. There we go. So now I'm going to first I'm going to copy this thing, and then I'm going to make a white rectangle to cover it, and then I'm going to put it in the middle and back. Now I'm going to get a text box that says costs 100 coins, and then I'm going to change fill to black and put it right here. There we go. Now, let me just get some of the scripts in here. When I receive shop, show this, and this, and this. Oh, shoot, whoops. And over here. Let's move this back over here. Now I'm going to, anyways, so now, if coins are less than 100, let's broadcast Rainbow Cat. Now we're going to change coins by -100. Now we're going to go to Sprite 1 and go to Costumes and create a brand new Sprite and costume, and then paste it in. Now go to Code, and when Rainbow Cat, when I receive Rainbow Cat, switch costume to costume 2. And in the beginning, we're also going to change it to switch costume to costume 1. There you go. Now it's time to test it out. Since I'm not going to click the entire thing because that's just extremely boring, I'm going to set coins to 101 and set it. Now I'm going to shop and buy it. And there we go. We have a Rainbow Cat to click now. It works just as well as all the other ones. Now, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe and like this video. Potato out.